Water pollution in the Philippines. Philippines, where the water pollution is already very severe. The Philippines is one of the biggest plastic pollutants on the planet. This may be bad for the planet but more bad for the country and people who live here. Almost 3 million are affected by water pollution, which may be a small amount of the population of the country, but it could grow bigger in the future once water pollution is not controlled and Filipinos not having discipline. The cause of water pollution are: first, the most common of all is trash, garbage, and plastics are the most common garbage to be found within the country. The place where plastics is commonly found is Manila Bay, Pasig River, and etc. Not only Manila Bay is actually affected by it, Manila Bay has coastal water surrounding it, connecting to the ocean. The sea each year 0.28 to 0.75 million tons of plastic escape to the ocean, affecting it. Second, oil spillage. Recently news about the MT Princess Empress oil spillage. The ship carried 900,000 liters of oil, a 5 kilometer long and 500 meter wide, was discovered causing a huge oil spillage and another problem to water pollution in the Philippines. 3. Wastewater for industries. Industries actually cause water pollution too. As an example of this is the Marilao River. Common industrial pollutants include chromium, cadmium, lead, mercury, and cyanide. The metal varies according to industries. The top 3 highest industries that produce wastewater are swine production, 9,401,896, poultry processing plants, 404,898,534, sugarcane milling company, 2,244,131. Now we should head on to the severe effects water pollution had given us. Garbage disposal of waste in fresh water can contaminate it, making it unsafe for our country consumption. It is unsafe to go fishing, swimming, and other water activities in polluted water. At least 14 Filipinos die every day in the past 10 years from waterborne disease. According to data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, waterborne disease such as typhoid, paratyphoid fever, bloody diarrhea, cholera, viral hepatitis, and leptospirosis killed a total of 53,066 Filipinos between 2010 and 2019. Oil spillage. This has affected Filipinos very much from Manila Bay to Occidental Mindoro. Oil spillage has caused us so much. During oil spillage, many Filipinos resident near the event has reported to experience dizziness, cramps, vomiting, and etc. Wastewater from industries. These wastewaters has different chemicals in it, affecting us humans to not able to consume water but also sea animals. Wastewater is also one of the cause on why sea animals are dying. Trash, garbage pollution. Organizations who care for our environment are very helpful. People like them mostly host cleanup drives for our planet all the time. They actually not only clean our lands but also our water. On January 17, 2019, the rehabilitation of Manila Bay was announced. Cleanup of the water was one of the first phase of the rehabilitation. It was a lot helpful to Manila Bay. Oil spillage, like what happened this year with MT Princess Empress sinking, it was huge. The residents of now Occidental Mindoro had solution. Actually, not only the residents but the whole Philippines had. Other solution was hair. Other people were collecting hair to separate oil from the waters, while the other residents' solution was separating the oil from the water with pails and mugs, but also others had many ideas to help the residents. With everyone, not only in the Philippines but also the whole world, we can accomplish and restore our environment back. Not only water, land, air, or other pollutions, but every environmental problems. If God had created the planet Earth for us to live in, we have ruined our planet. We have actually betrayed our God and planet. Everything in our surroundings, we are all for us, which is why we should care for our planet. If we all became as one, we may become with our planet.